Well, my name is Leandra.
My name is Dominique.
My name is Jenna.
I am Clara.
Leila.
My name is Annie.
Françoise.
My name is Ramona.
My name is Alexandra.
Anne.
Let's start.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Swipe.
Yeah, swipe.
Okay, let's go.
International Women's Day.
What is the first thought when mentioning 8th of March is International Women's Day?
Well, my first thought is going to women somewhere in the world where there is no freedom for women, where they are not able to go to school, and where they are not free to choose their life.
Every day should be International Equality Day.
Mine is more, again we will have the same jokes. Men saying, today is Women's Day, but all the other days are for men.
Shouldn't every day be International Women's Day?
Yes.
I think it's a bit sad that it's necessary to have an International Women's Day to acknowledge women.
For me, it's always my day.
It also felt a bit empowering that we have this special day, like we claim it.
It shouldn't be a question for a specific date.
Gender equality in the workplace. Pipe dream or work in progress?
Work in progress. I hope so.
In the technical sector, you don't see a lot of women, so I think it's a work in progress.
We have to hire some women, right?
Yes.
It's really a work in progress in many, many areas, but not only about gender equality. So, a lot to do.
Would you say women have certain qualities that men don't have, and vice versa?
Can I be funny in the kitchen?
I think we have to fight about this statement that women have certain qualities. That's my point of view.
No, I don't think we should say that, because saying that is acknowledging that they are different. Your gender doesn't define who you are and what type of person you are. I think we do have qualities that supplement each other.
Yeah.
So, but that's not gender-based, for my point of view. It's more like who you are and what you can bring to the table as a person.
Okay, next one.
Engineering, digital and mechanics are men's work, aren't they? Well, no.
You have to say no to that.
No, I have to say no, because I was a mechanic and now I'm a licensed engineer.
No,
So
you're an engineer.
it's not men's work. No.
Of course not. I mean, I think nowadays you can't say there are men's work or women's work. Because you're an engineer, my husband is a nurse.
Women can do men work, what is called men work also, and maybe even better, so.
As a fact, today, I think the figures is probably 90 or 85% men, but it's not because it's a men world, just because we have difficulty to hire women, but it's not by design men's world. Okay, we'll see. We work on that.
Which gender stereotype gets on your nerves the most?
So many things get on my nerves. How can I narrow it down just to one?
They think the ladies in our airline always are cabin attendants, but they're not.
I think I really hate when you are not happy and they're saying, you're having your period, right?
What annoys me is when I go to work on the aircraft and people will assume I'm a stewardess or a cleaner.
Oh, so you are a stewardess.
And I like cabin attendant.
Of course.
But that's not the only position that you can get being a woman in the France-KLM group.
Next one.
Next one.
What would you say if a manager asked you if you were planning on getting family expansion anytime soon?
I think that I will say, you will see, good luck.
I've actually had this question in job interviews.
So what did
It's
you
completely
say?
illegal to be asked that question.
I think they cannot ask this.
No.
Of course, I would raise the question, do you have the same question to a man?
Right.
And I'm sure of the answer.
In the future, will aviation maintenance be a gender equal sector?
I think it's more like 90-10 percentage.
For now, it's 1910.
Yeah.
I hope in few years it will be more.
Let's hope so. But
Let's hope.
That would be really nice, wouldn't it?
Yes, that would be nice. Hopefully, It will be in the future, but
Yeah.
the question is, how far is the future from here?
I strongly believe that it's already a gender equal sector in the sense that you can really develop a very interesting career being a woman in the aviation maintenance.
Why do fewer young women go after technical career?
I think it's because of the stereotypes.
Young women don't know what they can do with the technical education, and they don't know what jobs there are, and maybe they can have more look into a technical job so they know what they can expect.
Well, in certain parts of the world, when you grow up there, you have in your upbringing that you, as a woman, need to provide for your family as a homemaker, as a traditional wife. So maybe women do not have the same aspiration or chances as other females in other parts of the world.
Are sexist remarks and crude jokes still a thing in the workplace? That's an interesting question.
Someone called me beauty. It's not really sexist, but it's really something about me as a woman. They're just saying it without knowing they hurt the women.
To be nice and
Yeah.
to make the difference, but
Yeah.
sometimes we don't want to have this difference.
Yeah.
In my former job, I was fed up with all their jokes, and I said, okay, I will put a box in the middle, and every time someone says a joke that is sexist, we put a penny inside.
Wow, good.
I never put the box, but the guys told each other, you made a sexist joke.
We still have to work a lot on that.
Yeah, I agree.
In your job, have you ever made yourself look less girly to be taken more seriously?
Never, ever, never.
That's a good thing.
No.
Actually not. I love to wear pink or purple, and I even have safety shoes with sparkles on them. So
You're lucky.
Sometimes I'm girly and sometimes I'm girly too, but without makeup.
the International Women's Day 2023 campaign theme is Digital All, Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality. Are you inspired? It is an important theme, and I'm glad this campaign is available and that we can reach so many people to talk about this topic.
In fact,
to inspire
yes.
them as well.
In fact, if it can help women, it's a good thing.
What's most important, equality, diversity, or talent?
I want it all. I cannot choose.
No, nothing is more important. All are important.
Yeah, I think so too.
All three are really important because they're really separate things from each other. Talent is really person-related. Diversity is about everyone, well, men or women or whatever you feel like. And equality is about what you are and that you are the same on the workspace.
I think it's important to have a reflection of society in the company. Why? Then all these three words are represented.
I really think if you go with talent first,
Yeah.
you will automatically get equality and diversity.
Yeah.
That's my theory. That's my bit.
Any advice for young women starting out in aviation?
This is the
Be yourself and stand your ground.
We need some young women passionate by aviation and we need more and it will be good.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Come.
Yes. Enjoy. Don't be afraid
Yeah.
or don't be biased or don't have any negative thoughts that will impact your decision. Just try it out. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't be a part of this aviation culture or that you can be a part of as a woman in the aviation sector or anything like that.
I think this was the last one.
That's it.
Next one.
Next one.